Bitcoin hit $60,000 for the first time in 6 months on Friday, nearing its record high, as traders grew confident that U.S. regulators would approve the launch of an exchange-traded fund ETF based on its futures contracts. Cryptocurrency investors have been waiting for approval of the first U.S. ETF for Bitcoin, whose recent rally has been fueled in part by anticipation of such a move, which is seen as speeding up the mainstream adoption of digital assets. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, rose 4.5% to its highest level since the 17th of April and was last at $59,030. It has risen by more than half in value since the 20th of September and is now close to its all-time high of $64,895. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is set to allow the first U.S. Bitcoin futures ETF to begin trading next week, Bloomberg News reported on Thursday. It is widely expected that Q4 will see significant progress around a Bitcoin ETF in the US, Ben Caselin, head of research and strategy at Asia-based cryptocurrency exchange AAX, said. Friday's moves were spurred, he said, by a tweet from the SEC's Investor Education Office that stated, "Before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures contracts, make sure you carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits." Several fund managers, including the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, ProShares, Invesco, Valkyrie and Galaxy Digital funds have applied to launch Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. Crypto ETFs have been launched this year in Canada and Europe. We have seen more institutional build-up, especially in the past few weeks, than we have at any time since the Bitcoin price crash back in April, said Noel Eichison, head of market insights at Genesis Global Trading. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has previously said the crypto market involves many tokens which may be unregistered securities and leaves prices open to manipulation and millions of investors vulnerable to risks. The Bloomberg report, citing people familiar with the matter, said that proposals by ProShares and Invesco are based on futures contracts and were filed under mutual fund rules that Gensler has said provide significant investor protections. Bitcoin had another positive day of trade overall but saw a big plunge towards the end of the day's trade to end Thursday at $56,934, roughly Rs. 42,87,532. The day's high, however, saw the largest cryptocurrency as per market capitalization shoot above $58,300, roughly Rs. 43,95,359, and start Friday on a high too. The valuation of Bitcoin, at the time of writing, on Indian exchanges like CoinSwitch Cuber shows up at Rs. 46,36,671, roughly $61,570, showing a 2.31% increase since trade began this morning. Bitcoin investors are hopeful, but it has turned out to be a good week for Ether traders too. Gadgets 360's cryptocurrency price tracker suggests that the Ethereum-based crypto asset saw yet another 4.10% climb. Ether opened on Friday at a valuation of Rs. 2,95,802, roughly $3,927, a number that has already shot up to Rs. 2,98,619, roughly $3,965 while filing the story. While values don't suggest a concerted bull run thus far, there could be one around the corner as DeFi projects begin to accumulate more total value locked TVL. Popular altcoins had a good day too. While Polkadot went up the most on Wednesday, the surge has seemingly stopped. For now, Cardano, Ripple, Dogecoin and Litecoin all ended in green. Uniswap was the biggest gainers on the day, adding more than 8.5% to its value.